Exercise 5.3, question number 2, part 1. Find the sums given below. And I am taking the first part, which is 7 plus 10 whole 1 by 2 plus 14 plus dash 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 plus the last term we are given 84. So we have to find the sum of these terms. So first of all, while solving sums like this, you should not be confused with this plus sign, because these are only the terms given to us which are to be added to find their sum. Like we are given the terms using commas. So using commas and using this plus sign are meaning same. Okay. So if we have to find the sum of these terms, we should know what are the number of terms, n, that we have to find out first. So here from the AP we are given A is equal to 7 and D is equal to second term from first term. So we have, it is 21 upon 2 minus 7. So if we take the LCM, we will get 21 minus 14 upon 2. That is equal to 7 upon 2. So A is equal to 14, D is equal to 7 upon 2, and the last term, which we use as AN or L, is equal to 84. Okay. So first of all, we have to find out this value of n. So as we know that AN is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, and AN we are given 84 is equal to A 7 plus n minus 1 into value of D is 7 upon 2. That implies 84 minus 7 is equal to n minus 1 into 7 by 2. That implies 84 minus 7 is 77 is equal to n minus 1 into 7 upon 2. So if we cross multiply the 7 upon 2 this side, it will be 77 into 2 upon 7 is equal to n minus 1. That implies it is 154 upon 7. Actually we should have cut it. Now we can cut 7 to the 14 and 7 to the 14. So it is 22, that is equal to n minus 1. So n is equal to 22 plus 1, which is equal to 23. Okay. Now we can find out the sum of all these terms. So for finding out the sum, we will use this formula. Sum of terms is equal to n by 2 A plus AN or A plus L. I have given you all these formulas in my previous video. So this is one of the formula when we are given the last term. So S is equal to n, we got 23 upon 2 into A is 7 plus AN or L is 84. That implies S is equal to 23 upon 2 into 91. Therefore, if we multiply both the numbers, we get 2093 upon 2, which is the sum of all these terms. It may be given that you may be given the answer in mixed fraction, because here in question we are given the numbers as mixed fraction. So if it is so, then you can divide it by 2 and write it in terms of mixed fraction. So it will be 1046 whole 1 by 2. So this is the sum of all of these terms.